Hi, my name is Kevin Shaw Plumbing. I own a little plumbing company here in Monrovia, California. We service the San Gabriel Valley and parts of the San Fernando Valley. We've been in business since 1982, coming on 30 years. All of our technicians have been to trade school, a minimum of 3 to 4 years. We do continually education every year and learning all the new techniques that are out there. Our company philosophy is to do the best job we can for the least amount of money possible. We've been chosen the #1 rated plumbing company in the San Gabriel Valley for the last 4 years. It's something that's very hard to do and something we're very proud of. Whether you have a big problem or just a little problem, Kevin Shaw Plumbing can take care of that for you. I promise you'll be a customer cheerleader for life for our company.